Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the SoftBase Podcast. Today's episode focuses on DB2 parallel development and testing. Your host today is SoftBase's test-based chief architect. He has over 36 years of experience in DB2 application architecting, design, and development. He's founded multiple DB2 companies, including the company that developed TestBase, which was later acquired by SoftBase. Please welcome Neil Lozens.
We're going to talk today about DB2 parallel development and testing and how it can be done and why you should care. You care because you want to develop software faster, whether that's faster time to market to your customers or faster time to just simply finish your application. You care because you want higher quality testing. More testing is better testing. And with parallel development, you can get more testing because you run more tests. And you also care because of increases in productivity. So you don't want to have to wait for single-threaded things to happen so that you can be productive every day, at least 8 hours a day, and hopefully not more than 8 hours a day. And also so that you can support agile development, so you can do recursive things. Most shops use a production subset rather than full production databases. The idea behind DB2 production subsets is that you want a smaller set of test data to manage your test. We don't need to have 100 million customers when 1,000, maybe 100 will allow us to do adequate testing. There are a lot of subsetting tools that will get you a subset of test data from production. Base itself has a subsetting component to it. IBM Optum has a feature that allows subsetting, as does File8RDX from CompuWare. There are a lot of issues associated with test data. I've listed several of them here. I won't go through each one, but I will bet that you've encountered most of these. Some of the conventional solutions we've used to parallel development are single-threaded testing and scheduling. The purge program gets to test at this hour. The load program gets to test at this hour. This application gets to test at a specific time. That gets a little difficult in terms of scheduling. Another option that we've used is key assignment. Customer 27 is a problem both in terms of billing and in terms of customer support. So we would like to have multiple customer 27s. Well, customer 27 can be used by this person at this point in time and another person at another point in time. Another solution that we've used is multiple copies of tables. Multiple tables can be defined and they can be loaded multiple times. And another solution that we've seen is multiple DB2 subsystems. It's gotten to the point where we have so many copies of tables in one subsystem, and we can't remember the different names and creators that we create additional subsystems. Slice is a method to allow people to develop software against one set of tables in a single subsystem with one set of packages and not have to worry about impacting others in the test environment. Slice can address these challenges even if you want to stick with multiple table copies and multiple DB2 subsystems. It can refresh test environments and resolve most of these issues for you without any interruption. So each tester or group can load, refresh, test at the same time without any impact to their program code and without impacting other testers in the environment. So you take your subsetted test data and load it to one or as many slices as you want. You can have the same customer 27 in multiple slices at the same time. So you have a single database that contains everything that you need. Slice uses patented technology, and it's the only tool in the market of its kind. You can get Slice from SoftBase or from one of our resellers. Only Slice enables parallel development with fewer resources, fewer CICS regions, fewer DB2 subsystems, fewer sets of tables, fewer plans, fewer collections, fewer packages in your catalog, gumming up the works just because the table creator is different. Parallel development with fewer resources using Slice, any tester can test anything at any time and not have to worry about who else is in the test environment. If you have the Optum solution or the CompuWare solution for subsetting, using test-based Slice will allow you to exploit the advantages of a subset of test data that you have, giving you faster time to market and using less resources and less strain on the DBAs. And in fact, what you've done is you increase the return on investment for Optum and FileAid. In addition, if you have regression testing tools from computer associates like Verify or from CompuWare like HyperStation, Slice can do the database setup aspect of that for you, whether or not you have a sliced environment. In fact, Slice can be used to reset any test environment with data from anywhere. So it can help with the regression testing as well and improve the return on investment of those kinds of tools as well as the subsetting tools. If you'd like to contact us for a demonstration or a consultation, here's our contact information. Thanks for being with us today.